What music sounds like in micro or zero gravity? Astronauts really play music in space. It's a popular Saturday pass on the space station. Instruments in zero gravity should work fine. The musician in space would only have difficulty if he attempted to play outside the space shuttle or space station. Sonic waves need air to move, so even if a violin string vibrates correctly in the almost vacuum of space, no sound will occur. The instruments of brass will also fall silent. The air within their metal bodies will vibrate sound that no sound will be produced without air. When you play music on the shuttle or the station, it doesn't sound different, say the astronauts. The physics of the sound is the same in microgravity as it is on Earth. What changes is the way you handle the instruments. For example, a guitar up there doesn't need a strap, and to be able to play a keyboard up there, you have to use foot restraints to hold yourself in place, as one press on the keyboard in zero gravity might actually push it away. Is playing music in space of any danger? For example, an electronic keyboard could be a source of electromagnetic radiation, which can interfere with the shuttle or station operation. Such items can generally be changed. The type of case is different. Something generally emits little radiation in a metal case. It emits more in a plastic case. Usually, he says, one or two components can be changed so that the radiation is reduced without affecting the function. Astronauts' actual music experience. Many astronauts play musical instruments, and there is actually a rock and roll astronaut that really exists. In addition to the keys, there was a flute, a guitar, a saxophone, and an Australian native wind instrument called the didgeridoo, and they found their way into space. The classical musician, astronaut Ellen Okoa, brought her flute to her first shuttle flight as one of her personal items. However, she only once played it, and this was part of a school children's educational video. For short shuttle flights, astronauts are so busy that they don't have much time to play the instrument. It's more of a sentimental thing for a shuttle flight. A souvenir for people who have had music as a serious hobby. Space music firsts. First music played to a spacecraft. The date is April 12, 1961, and it is very early in the morning. Yuri Gagarin was bussed out to the Baikonur launch pad and helped into his Vostok capsule after a restless night. He's shackled to his couch, the hatch bolted shut behind him, and all he can do now is wait. The initial excitement and tension of this historic day are beginning to wear off as his launch is delayed due to last-minute technical glitches. In other words, the first spaceman is getting bored. When Mission Control inquires about his well-being, Gagarin suggests that music may be of assistance. Technicians eventually manage to pipe records of Russian love songs into the capsule as the countdown continues. First music to leave the solar system. There has recently been some debate over whether Voyager 1 has yet to leave the solar system, but it is undoubtedly close. Golden records, with a handy diagram of how to play them, are strapped to the sides of each of the Voyager spacecraft. The tracks on these discs were chosen with care